Okay, so means the election was not called democratic election. The system was not called democratic system. So clearly there are many reasons why Pakistani under General Pervez Musharraf should not be called a democracy. But let us focus on one of these. Can we say means when we discuss each and every point in this particular paragraph, like first is that can we say that the rulers are elected by the people? The answer will be no. People rulers are not elected by the people because Pervez Musharraf himself became the dictator or the ruler of the country. Another is that not quite. People may have elected representative to the national and provisional assembly, but those elected representatives are not really the rulers and they cannot be the final decision. So the power to take the final decision rests with the army officials. We have seen that because there was assembly, provisional or national assembly took place, but they were the puppet in the hand of only army. They didn't have any power to take any decision, or the all decisions were taken by the army officials. And with the General Pervez Musharraf, and none of them are elected by the people. This happens in many dictatorship. You understand dictatorship? When one man rule is there means only a person who is the ruler of the country can do everything according to his wish. That is the dictatorship. And monarchy is monarchy. You understand the king rule. So king always with some few ministers, he take advice and he rule accordingly. They formally have the elected parliament, and the government put real power with those who are not elected. In the last chapter we read about, it is given of the reference of USSR. USSR means the Soviet of Union Socialist Republic. It was the name of party in the communist in Poland, and the US is in contemporary Iraq. Here the real power was with some of the external power and not with locally elected representative. This cannot be called people's rule. So people's rule, why we are talking about people's rule here? Because we read the definition of Abraham Lincoln, that is the means we can say by the people, for the people, of the people. So in that particular form we cannot say it is of the, that is it is the people's rule. And this gives us the first feature of this definition of our definition. Democratic features, like in democracy the final decision making power rest with the sorry it is rest with the those elected people elected by the people. Means main feature is that the ruler should have the power to make decision. Means they should not be handled by any authority of you can say, or any big organization. Means when people elect the leaders, they should take the decision on behalf of the country. When people elect them, so they have their own desire and wishes that the demand what they have, they should forward in the parliament and some action taken place. So the decision making power rests with the rulers, not any other organization. So till here we will read this. So take a reading of this and understand the first feature of the democracy. So thank you.